the Smart India Hackathon 2025. Our project title is Smart Tourist Safety Monitoring and Incident Response using AI, geofencing, and blockchain-based digital ID. It falls under the travel and tourism team. The goal of our project is to make tourism safer and smarter using advanced technique like AI, geofencing, blockchain. We will take few minutes to explain how our project actually works and what's its positive impacts.
Now let's see the solution of this problem. Our solution creates a smart safety ecosystem for tourists. It begins with generating a digital ID for the tourist. This ID is blockchain based, ensuring data security. The tourist can interact with the system through the mobile app. The mobile app automatically generates a safety score based on uh, travel pattern, then location sensitivity and history of that area. The system also provides a geofencing system. Uh, whenever a tourist enters in a high risk zone or in no entry zone, then it sends alerts or share the location to the emergency contacts or to the local authorities. The system also provides the panic button. Um, Whenever a tourist feels uncomfortable, then they can press the panic button and the location of that sends to the local authorities.
Technically, our system combines AI, blockchain, and mobile app and geofencing for a seamless workflow. When the AI detects the patterns and AI analyze the patterns and detect the unsafe activities, then blockchain used to use the secure tourist ID. Then mobile app used to track the location of the tourist. Then our system start from the registration. If the registration complete, then ask for the permission for location. Then mobile app track the location of the tourist. When a tourist enters in a restricted areas, then using geofence, it gives the notification and also provides a panic button. It was always on. Panic button, so it was always on, and then unsafe activities being done that captured by the cameras and sent to the local police and
Next about the CGPT and wiretapping. Our project is very feasible because of AI, based geofencing and blockchain are widely used and already known by everyone. And mobile applications are also adopted by everyone. Reaching the tourist is very easy. There are challenges which we will face while creating a project, such as the private information of the persons or tourist should remain stays private, and the project which we will create should be cost efficient. Strategies to overcome: we can use blockchain to secure our data. Secondly, we can collaborate with tourist authorities to make our project cost efficient.
Impacts and benefits. Our systems have multiple impacts for tourists. It ensures safer travel, immediate help in emergency, and open and overall peace of mind for tourists. For society, it helps prevent theft, uh, harassment and harass, harassment and keeping the environment cleaner. Economically, increase uh, tourist confidence and revenue. It essence our system benefits not only for tourists but society, economy, and whole environment.
Our research inspired